Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Now this is a very special episode. Eric's birthday just recently passed, just a couple of days ago, and I teamed up with the Hamilton Collection to be able to get him a ride in one of the last V12s you'll ever see out there from Lamborghini. Now he doesn't know, he's getting ready upstairs. He thinks we're going to a car show, so this is going to be a very great time. He's going to be very excited, and I can't wait to see his reaction. Guys, hang tight.
Alright, so out here this weekend, there's a couple car shows downtown, but Helene had other ideas. I don't know, it's probably raining down there, so we don't want to chance it, but we waited it out a little bit. Sean said something about a car show at, what do you say, St. Charles?
Yeah.
We'll go check that out. Usually good stuff when you head out this way down the expressway out to the burbs, the south side burbs or whatever, and yeah. So we're gonna go check that out. Going out this way. Haven't seen any cars on the road. Trying to do some street car spotting. Ooh, what do we got here? Ooh. I want to stop there after, Sean.
Yes.
They have some pretty stuff. But this is a familiar area. Whoa. Okay.
Well, we are...
Oh, I know where we're at.
Yeah, we're really close to Iron Gate, so we can actually just stop by and see what they have over there.
Yeah, you never know. Chicago Motor Cars, they got a little dealership there. You always can spot cars there. But I always know right where we're at because you got Top Golf.
Yes.
You can always tell. You can always tell from the nets.
Yep.
But well, we were just out here last weekend for the old farewell to our favorite garage.
Yep.
My F40's gone. Oh, hold on. There might be a car delivery going on. What's this?
Or a car pickup.
Car pickup, car delivery. Ooh, there's Chicago Motor Cars right there.
There's your F40.
I know. This is by far
The best picture.
the best picture.
What is that, 3 of the big
Yep.
5?
Oh, here we go. Look, motor cars.
Yeah.
We got Ford GT. Ooh, is that an A12 in there?
Supra.
Supra. Old Fisker.
And there's my truck.
A Dodge Ram. There it is. One of our favorite places.
There's an Evo back there.
Ooh.
And
Ooh,
a 599.
And a V coupe.
Yeah.
And of course, when you're in the plaza, there's always freaking Chicago Motor Cars, Brighton, Fluid Motion, Sounds Plus, and then what everybody knows about the plaza is old Hamilton Collection.
Yeah, let's go stop and see what they have. If they're...
We go peek in the window.
Go peek in the window.
Go peek in the window.
Let's go.
You never know.
In the window.
Last time we peeked in the window, we seen that he had put stickers all over his
Yes.
Daytona.
Yes.
Make it look crazy. Go peek in the window.
Yeah, Hamilton
Ooh, I
did
can
get
see.
the new Revuelto.
Yep. I see the 765 LT. Yeah.
See something else.
What else we got in there? I'm peeking the window. See, I don't know if you guys can see it. Nope, you can't see it. Well, you knocking on the door.
Lock it, it says. Hey, look, it's Henry.
Holy crap, you're actually here?
Yeah.
I was just want to peek at. What the? What are you guys doing here? Holy crap! He said we're going to a car show in St. Charles.
Oh my gosh.
Because we were going to go downtown, there was other car shows.
No, your surprise is you're actually going to drive this Mazda today.
Yep.
Yes!
You don't knock the monster.
Hey, it's a Mazda.
I know. No, but
Holy
the reason
crap.
why we really brought you here, you're actually going to drive that.
The Suburban?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Wait, what did you point at? Oh my God.
So you're get the gate.
Holy shit.
A new episode of Will He Fit.
Yes. And now we don't have everybody. That's what we play here when no one's in here. It's like I sit in the cars and say, "Will we fit?"
Yeah. Don't worry, I stopped at Diddy's. I stopped at Diddy's house and got some baby oil. So he had a couple of thousand.
That's freaking awesome. All right.
All right, today's episode, Will He Fit?
Yes, I will. And if I don't, I'm going.
I got the baby oil.
All right.
Yeah.
Always, the key is to always hit your head. All right. And we're in.
All right.
Goodbye.
Just take your time.
It's very anticlimactic. It starts in EV mode.
Yep.
So now I can turn it into a.
Yeah, just turn it one way. One way.
This is a little cooler than the Gallardo.
Yeah, a little
Just a
bit.
little-
Just a little bit.
A little cooler than the Gallardo. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to me.
Yeah. All right, fat guys in little cars. Dude, this dash looks nasty.
I need this up a little bit. I was a little far back from the accelerator. Okay, this is not a flattering view of me, but hey, you know what? I don't care.
You are in the Lamborghini Revuelto.
I am in a Lamborghini Revuelto. 6.5 liter, 1,001 horsepower. All right, cut it at a little angle here for the bump. That is bad. Where am I going? Ooh! We got the spoiler up. The spoiler is up. Oh my gosh! I don't think the smile's gonna come off my face now.
Oh, that sounds so nasty.
Oh my gosh! That was like shit and get, boys. Ready for the downshift? Here we go. Ready, downshift. Ooh, pop! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yep. Oh my God. I can't pinch me. You gotta pinch me, like, cause my God, thank you, Sean.
No problem.
Thank you,
for my
Steve.
little brother.
Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, Henry. Everybody at the Hamilton Collection. You guys are the real G's. Like, you hooked me up. I don't know how many times I can go around this car, but oh, it's keeping me warm though. Yeah.
Isn't that chilly?
Ooh. All right, I want to drive it. I want to drive it again.
Hold on. Just wait.
I gotta check my, dude, I'm like still from that first pole.
Yeah.
It was beautiful. It was beautiful. And that was not even a launch mode. That was literally
Why
just.
is it that this is your second Lamborghini to freaking drive, and I haven't even drove one yet?
I think we gotta hook him up soon.
I know.
Oh my gosh. And I really like what they did with the yellow pinstripe, especially in the back. It's very Centenario. Check it out. All the angles, Sean. Get all the angles. We have a student driver down there. She's learned to drive. She's parked.
Yeah, stay the fuck over there.
Please.
Not come over here.
You just hit the curb by parking. Stay over there, please.
Don't come over here. Ooh, a Lamborghini, do. No.
That's something I would do.
You better record the whole thing, Tommy. It wasn't my fault.
I didn't do it, Steve. I swear to God. I'm still just.
You're squirrely.
I'm still speechless. Like I can't stay still. I'm walking around. Like I'm usually down to take pictures and videos of cars, but now I'm just like,
Yeah.
I have the same feeling when he wants to clean and detail his car.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, screw it, let's go. Sounds so good in this car.
Yeah, it helps that we're in Mexico too. Hope Steve's not mad we had to import it.
Thank you, Senor Steve. Don't film this part.
Oh, I'm filming it all, baby. Fat guys, little cars.
He wanted to spend more time out of the car talking about it than driving it.
Of course, yeah. How was it?
Oh, it's amazing. It's
Dude,
amazing.
he had ADD and a squirrely, dude.
Well,
I'm trying to vlog and do all these other photos, and
I
dude,
didn't
I
bring
just want to drive it. Are we gonna be here longer? Let's go.